Good morning everyone. Today I will show you how I made 300 grams of butter using 600 mils of double cream. The fat content of the cream was 48%, so more or less half of it was fat. I picked the cream in the reductions, so what I did with it was to tip it inside a jug and use the blender to blend everything together, and I use this attachment. After a few minutes you will find that the cream has become solid, and that turning the blender is difficult. You can see that I'm lifting it up. So when you get to this stage, you need to put it in a sieve and wash it. I recommend one with small holes so that you don't lose out your butter, and you will find that the color changes from white to yellow. Make sure that you tip away excess water, and that's the butter I got. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.